Officially, katulad ng sinabi ni Noynoy, ni Senator Noynoy Aquino, officially po ay kanina po binasa ang official statement ng Aquino family na at 3:18 ngayong umaga ay pumanaw po ang ating mahal na Pangulong Cory Aquino dito po sa Makati Medical Center.
Sir, sino po yung mga
Noong when she passed away, kasalukuyan ang kanyang mga anak ay nagdadasal ng rosaryo. They were praying the rosary when she peacefully passed away.
all of them were there po?
Malalaman natin yan mamaya lamang. Magkakaroon ng press briefing mga bandang 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. I-announce namin yan. Wala pa kaming lugar pero we will announce it later.
All of them were there.
Kanina, bago siya pumanaw, nandoon ang kanyang mga anak. Sabi ko nga, to be very exact, ay they were praying the sorrowful mystery. Panglimang misteryo. Is it the crucifixion? Doon huminga ng kanyang huling, yung kanyang, that's right, the last gasp. I'm sorry? No, they were praying around her bed. The children were around her bed praying the rosary when she passed away. At pagkatapos ay dumating yung mga malalapit na kaibigan at kamag-anak, nagkaroon ng, nagkaroon ng misa sa loob ng kwarto. Father Arevalo officiated a mass. And prior to that, yung mga anak ay nagdasal na naman ng rosary.
Sir, was this already explained?
It's hard to answer that question. I mean, you don't expect things like this.
Sir, but
She's been fighting cancer bravely for the past months.
It's quite symbolical po na yung crucifixion po and then...
Wala naman. It's factual. Ayoko maglagay ng simbolo dahil... Pero kasalukuyan nagdadasal sila ng rosaryo nung pumanaw sa Tita Cory. She was asleep. And yung kanyang last deep breath happened during, siguro during the fifth mystery.
What about the siblings for the former president? Nandun ba sila or the grandchildren?
Naroon, hindi ko sigurado kung lahat yung mga apo ay naroon, ang mga grandchildren, but present po lahat ang mga anak, ang si Tita Maur, the sister, at mga malalapit na kaibigan at pamilya, lahat nasa loob ng kwarto.